11:40 p.m. I'll try to cover this the best I can. Yeah, we're under a tornado warning right now. At least I think it's tornado warning. Sirens are going off. But of course that does not indicate that it is actually in our area, because these do branch out quite a distance. So I apologize for oh wow, apologize for the audio, but this is what we got going on, and I can hear sirens from somewhere else as well. As skies continue to flash. Now, the winds are starting to pick up. Now, that is so very loud. Let's see if we can block this off just a little bit more. Step inside here. And yeah, okay. Hope I'm not blasting. Okay, there we go. So that is now, yeah, cool. So that's ended. I imagine quite a few people here are rather nervous. But, as they say, lightning doesn't strike twice. And we had our tornado last year. Alright, so on that note, once again, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great one. Skyboys out. 11:50 p.m. on this Tuesday evening, April 14th, 2026. Alright, so we are having our thunderstorm, if you will, now. It has just begun to rain. It's a heck of a thing to have a night like this and to meet your new next door neighbors that live right across the hallway. At least I met the female. I didn't meet the male that lives there, but they're a couple. But yeah, a night like this. Yeah, I didn't realize that in my earlier recording that she was standing out there on her balcony watching this. Hoo-wee. Look at this. I can't record too long because we don't have a gutter system on the edge of the roofing here, so we get a lot of splashback from the floorboards of the balcony and into the apartment. And over the years, that alone has caused quite a lot of floor damage. And once again, I don't like being in this fall out and having this flashback in my gym shorts and yeah, currently getting wet. I don't much care for it. Let's go ahead. This is we were just looking straight direct south, and now once again sort of in the direction, the western direction. I am tired, people. All right. Yeah, winds are picking up. We'll record just for a little bit longer. I'm going to have to button down the hatches. Oh, here comes the wind. Oh, well. Wow. Oh, yeah. Yeah, trees are screaming, branches are knocking together. Oh, oh yeah. We're here. Let's look at this. It's coming down. Or let's are we getting any hail? Wow. All right. There we go. I forgot that I don't usually use the outdoor light. Let's go ahead and shut that off. I'm going to have to close this up now. All right. Wow. Yeah. They're stating straight line winds, so we could have a lot of tree damage. And I'm hoping that the animals are going to be all right through this. Wow. That is a major concern. Oh, thinking I'm hearing hail. I'm not seeing any. Okay. Shut this back off real quick. Wow, yeah. Man, I swear we're getting hail out here. Maybe it's just really hard raindrops. Ooh-wee. Now let's look. Oh, power went out. Son of a gun. Oh, came back on. Oh, that's not a good sign. Oh, went back out again. Come back on. That's not good. Wow. Oh, power went out again. Coming back on. Oh, went back out again. Yep. Son of a gun. Power's on. Man, it's gonna make a substation below. This keeps up. Power's off again. now it's off. So there's been some damage done. Doggone it. Alright, I'm going to have to end this because, I can't charge it now. And I don't know if I'm still uploading or not. So, alright. Thank you ever so kindly for watching.